Hi, my name is Xavier Choudhry and I'm currently studying mechanical engineering at Uxbridge College. So I first heard about the National Innovation Challenge through the college, through a teacher actually, and he told me to start the challenge as an assignment. So for me, he set it as an assignment, and then from there I kind of went and actually decided to submit into the competition. This project is called the Plastic Bottle Filament Extruder. In terms of how I went about building it and developing the project, it started off with me researching online existing ideas and prototypes that other people had done. And so I came across loads of different kits online of people doing it and, basically saying their instructions and what they did. But the thing with it, because it's DIY and the main principle of it is taking apart old 3D printers. Each old 3D printer is different because they're all different models, so it does slightly differ. So the way I went about it was kind of going through all of these different kits and instructions and tutorials that people had already put out there on the internet, and kind of took the ones that I needed for my particular printer and to work with the resources I had here at the college. So, for example, this 3D printed part over here, that was from one kit of someone who had already designed those parts, so I kind of took them and used that bit. However, other parts of it, like the plate that it's on, that's something I made myself to kind of just put together. HRUC and the mentors around me helped me bring my idea to the world. The chance to be able to go to MIT over there in the States, I think it would be a really good opportunity for me. It would open more doors and give me more opportunities to see the world of engineering and how it's used in different places, especially over there where I think they're doing more research and they're working on newer ideas and new technology. I think it'd be really cool to see, and for them to even maybe help me improve my ideas and my understanding of it. So I think it'd be a great opportunity. The National Innovation Challenge gave me lots of confidence to share my ideas with the world. To those thinking about applying next year, I would definitely recommend that you do, because it is such a great experience and you really do learn a lot.